folks. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It is Wednesday, the middle of the week, December 6th, almost Christmas Day, 1906. 19 days to go. We welcome our friends on onespotmedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJamTVJ, and also on televisionjamaica.com. Time to get up. Time to go. Do some work. I hear in myself echoing all over. I like it.
You're God.
Yeah, I hear it.
You're like God.
Well,
the voice of God is echoing and
Well, I wouldn't say I am God, but
I never
like
say,
it.
we
Don't
never
stop
say
it.
you're God. We
Yeah,
say
you
you're
said,
like
no,
God.
you said you're God, and then you said you're like God.
I'm a bit clean out here. You're probably right.
I hear everything.
You're probably right. How are you?
Colors, I like
I'm
it.
in the Christmas spirit
It's
for
almost
you.
like my tie. My
Yeah.
tie have a little
golden touch.
match-up thing.
A mustard golden touch. Good morning, Neville. How you do?
My good wagwan.
Good to see you. I'm here. I'm alive.
Oh, the young'uns.
The youngins are good. They're all asleep with daddy this morning. It's so funny. You go to bed, you and your husband, and you wake up and there's four of you in the bed. You know what I mean? That's what happens.
So, how your daughter reach? Because I know she can't walk. No, she can't walk. So, how she reach?
She's 6 months. She's flying,
So,
walking.
Chris Ben bring her come when him coming.
No, she gets up because she has to feed, and mommy can't bother put her back. Mommy's like, and you wake up, you're like, oh, he's still here. And
But they're wonderful. Man.
they're wonderful, Godfather Neville.
Yeah, man. Brilliant.
Still not getting no gift from the Godfather, but
I bring one for you this morning.
I heard she's.
No, this is the great Cleveland.
Thank you.
Folks, Cleveland go for it, right?
I'm gonna eat it because I'm hungry.
Oh, Cleveland make more money than the whole that we put together. Yeah, Richard. Yeah, Richard. I won't tell you what Richard said, but Cleveland go for it. And they make more money than all of us put together. Right? Everybody put together. And this is what Cleveland bring for us.
But to be fair, everybody got two. The whole
Everybody
studio.
get two. All right, so I bring 10. How much US that every?
About 3 US.
10 of them about 10 cents.
3 cents. Did
for
you
the
say
10 of them.
cents? It's not
It's about
cents.
10 cents for the 10 of them.
You notice I'm
So-
stashing all my goodies under this dress this
Yeah,
morning.
so Cleveland, I thank you very much.
Thank you.
Next time you go find, do. Me no want this.
Since you're so ungrateful, give it to me.
No, it's that. Me go frame it. So I can't. I just hang it up so I say, this is what Cleveland got
You'll
all
never
the way
forget.
to foreign.
You'll
and
never
the man know
forget.
Donald Trump. Thanks, Cleveland. I really appreciate it because some of us can't reach foreign.
It actually
Anyway.
tastes very good.
It does? So you have it already?
Yeah, man, and I have some more stash under there.
Some more, so how much you get?
Don't worry about what I got.
Why is that doll there, please?
Because I love island dolls, and I came in the studio and I saw this doll sitting over there as a decorative piece. And Island Dolls is a company that released the first Patois doll in 2003 with Miss Lou.
I saw them yesterday, actually.
Right, and where were you yesterday?
Craft Cottage.
Yes!
Beautiful
Yes!
stuff. Beautiful
And then they
stuff.
released the new edition of the
you
Patois
just
speaking
thief
doll.
that doll from over there?
And so I saw it and I wanted to just ask officially my entire TVJ superiors, can I take this home
No,
for
you-
Zipporah?
no,
It's
but
so
you can't.
cute. Like
So
little
you can't
Christmas
just go buy
doll.
one?
Well, I actually can. And I know the owner, Miss Bev, so I can call her. But I just thought, it was sitting there and I'm like, maybe I could carry it home. But I just love her. She's beautiful. Big up Island Dolls. Big up Miss Bev. Happy belated birthday. It was her birthday the other day. And I love these black dolls. I love black dollies. I want 1,000 black dollies for my children. So at Island Dolls 1 on Instagram, black dolls all day long.
Yeah, but you can just buy one.
Yeah, I know I can buy one.
So why are you trying to
I've
steal
actually
it?
bought about 5 of her dolls already. Actually, maybe more. 6
So why are you
dolls.
trying to
I'm not stealing. I'm just asking. It's beautiful. I love the gown. It's like a beautiful Christmas gown. Isn't she cute? Big up Island Dolls. She look like me?
Actually, yeah.
She does, doesn't she?
Yeah.
It's not. Remember when you were growing up, Londia, you didn't see dolls looking like this, like you. There we go. Now they're here. So anyway, it's a beautiful day today. I'm very excited. Neville said, hello to all our friends on social media, all the places where he is not. So big up all the people on social media, the world that I live in. Because I'm on your platform. He's not on there. He does spy, though, through my account sometimes. But, yeah, it's good to know that we also have our friends in the diaspora tuning in on the
Tell
One
the
Spot
people who are
Media.
coming up on the show this morning, please.
What's that?
Tell the people I'm not coming up on
Oh,
the show this
okay,
morning,
no
please.
problem. The National Prayer Vigil is set for this Sunday, and we hear from the chairman later on.
And we definitely need to say a prayer for our youths because what we're reading in the Gleaner about the drug or mixes they're partaking in, they're mixing up all kinds of stuff, and kind of unfortunate. Well, more than kind of, really unfortunate. So we talk more about it in this week's Gleaner Pick.
Then we'll pick out a few pieces from House of Rule to glam up your outfit this season.
And we'll hit the 7 o'clock block with the Minister of State, Mr. Floyd Green, plus lots of stops on the Smile stage because it's a Band Wednesday, folks. But right now, let's go straight to the hot topics, okay? Isn't that nice drumming?
I'm telling you.
High employment, high unemployment amongst the nation's disabled. They say 200,000 approximately Jamaicans living with a disability, but fewer than 5% are in paid employment, which makes the disabled community one of the most successful groups in the country. But the good news is that they're saying, the executive director of the Jamaica Council for Persons with Disabilities, Christine Hendricks, said, we are now seeing business places coming to the JCPD and asking, do you have a person with a physical disability? She says it wasn't like that some years ago, and so even though the attitudes in some areas are still the largest barriers to go through, there is some breaking taking place and the conversations are happening, and makes their work in the disability sector seem as if it is bearing good fruit. So she said the requests in terms of employment opportunity for the disabled community from business owners come as often as weekly, sometimes bi-weekly. So that's good news.
That's
but
very good
5% is unacceptable.
Yeah. You know,
5% is unacceptable.
yeah. And I believe that, and I actually want to employ a few people with disabilities myself, you know, because I love going into Lashusan. This is not, they don't have a disability, but let's say hearing impaired. It's so nice to see them. And I know Super Value, when I go in there and I see the young people working who have a disability, it makes me feel so good. They have to be inclusive. And we all need to do better. We need to do better here at TVJ, I think. We need more people working here with disabilities, and I'm calling it out. So I'm calling out every company in Jamaica. Let's lift the unemployment with our disability. Let's lift unemployment on the whole, because the whole nation needs to lift the unemployment.
All right, we changed lanes, and we literally changed lanes. The Russians are banned
from the Winter
from
Olympics.
the Winter Olympics. This is because of drugs. They say the country's government officials are forbidden to attend. Russia's flag will not be displayed at the opening ceremony, and its anthem will not. You will not hear it. And it says any athlete from Russia who receives special dispensation to compete will do so as individuals. They won't be wearing a Russia uniform. They'll wear a neutral uniform. And the official record books will forever show that Russia never won anything. That was the punishment issued yesterday. They say they haven't seen anything like this since they saw in the East Germany in the 60s, 70s, and 80s, and that was absolutely incredible, where they thought every single East German was like full of drugs and nobody could beat them at that time. They say it's been state-sponsored, like the government knew about this, and the government actually did all of this.
Systematic doping, they call it.
Yep.
Terrible.
So they're out, which is unfortunate for the athletes who are not on drugs. They will be able to compete, but they won't be able to compete as Russians.
You know what's interesting though, and you know many of us are kind of like selfish that way, where it could blow up where they become a bigger name because they won the race, and people are going to investigate and write their story and say they're from Russia, but their name I think will be bigger in the lights with that. Who knows what will happen there? But it's a sad state for Russia. But guess what? Consequences for your actions. And talking about consequences, boy, he's feeling it. Abdullah Ibrahim Al-Faizo has been named as a key ISIS recruiter. He is 54 and currently under arrest in Jamaica, facing extradition to the United States of America. The United States Treasury placed Abdullah Ibrahim Al-Faisal on its specially designated global terrorist sanctions blacklist, saying that he helped Islamic State recruits travel to ISIS-controlled territory and was trusted by the jihadist group to vouch for potential recruits. Okay. His Jamaican name or his birth name is Trevor Forrest. And we've been hearing his story. He came back. He was deported to Jamaica. And over the past few weeks, we've been hearing that the U.S. has targeted him as a terrorist. And yeah, he also spent time in Africa, in Kenya, where the story backdating to when the whole story came to light about his extremism.
All right, time for some birthdays, folks. Let me start with Sharima Williams. This is Sharima right here. Hey, Sharima. Hope you have a great day. Greetings coming from your mom, Rakota, and your dad, Nicholas. Beautiful, Sharima. Sharima, don't worry. You'll soon come up. I know you're watching. There you go, Sharima. That's Sharima right there.
Happy birthday, Serena.
Yeah.
Cute, like.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
And this young lady is Zaria Clayton. Zaria is 11 years old. Zaria, greetings coming from your mom, Delia, your dad, Chris, your brother, Jardel, your uncle, Andre. I think her birthday was yesterday. So I hope you had a great one. And I wish you so many, many more. And this is also a belated birthday. And this young lady is Michael Ann. And it's coming from your mom, Kim. It's coming from Moya, Michaelia, Auntie Dean, the rest of the family. And I think her birthday was also yesterday. And I hope you had a great one at school and you had some fun.
Aww.
I'm ready to hold up your picture of her.
Okay, good. So I want to say happy birthday. This is an amazing woman. We're not related by blood, but I call her grandma. And she's from a community I know very well. And she don't stop knock on my door. I mean, stop knock on fear door for dinner. And I love your food. Grandma, big up yourself, Una Gillis. Look upon her. Look how she hot. Look upon her. 90 years old today.
That's why you love her, because you love her food?
No, man. I love her personality. I love her children. One of my mentees is her grandson, Jeremy. Big up yourself. Your grandma, turn up, Una Gillis. I love you. That's a lady, that gets up, and walk and catch bus or go deal with her business, And she's amazing. Grandma, I love you from all your children and grandchildren and my family. Thank you for blessing us with your warmth, with your love, with your smile, your character. You are amazing.
Yeah, Grandma, have a great day today. And it's Itie's birthday today.
What? Really?
Itie.
Oh.
Where Itie name again?
Ian
Ellis. The man named Itie, man. You know Ian Ellis. Itie, I hope you have a Itie Ellis, the man name. The man named Ian. True, the Itie no sound so wonderful. The more go on like him name Ian. But Itie Ellis, the Georgian. I hope you have a great day today, son. And I wish you many, many, many more.
And I have two things I have to say. I want to big up with Cinco because Cranwater with Wow. Yeah, I'm going to tell you why. Cranwater with Wow has been sponsoring, investing in Talk Up Youth alongside National Baking Company for 3 years. We recently gave away hundreds of thousands of dollars of scholarship to young children, young people to develop them skills and education. And today, this morning at 9 o'clock, the IPO opens, so they're, everybody's been buying crazy shares in Wisynco. So I want to congratulate them on their birth of opening at 9 o'clock today on the IPO on the stock exchange. And people go and support Wisynco because they do give back. Now, happy birthday to what? All the children out there that are born today, we love you, from Grandpapa Neville and Auntie Empress.
So when we move from Uncle.
Yeah, as years go on, you have to graduate.
Birthday, folks.